So this is how you can add Wi-Fi to your iOS 18 control center. It's actually quite easy. Scroll down from the right and then tap on the plus button at the top left corner of the screen. Now, choose on Add a Control, and then you're going to want to scroll down until you can find Connectivity. So, as you can see, Wi-Fi is right here. And now that we tapped on it, it's going to be added at the very last. As you can see, it's right there. It's turned on because I am currently connected to a Wi-Fi. So, if you go back to the original control center, I can actually tap on this to turn it off and then tap on it to turn it back on. And yeah, that's about it. Once again, scroll down from the right, tap on the plus button, and then tap on Add a Control. You can actually just choose any kind of button that you want because there are a lot of buttons, and you could use these to help you navigate around your phone in an easier way. So yeah, that's about it. Just tap on Wi-Fi and it's right there. You could even add two or more if you want to for some reason. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.